Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss a further classification of assets. In previous lecture we have seen that assets can be classified into three categories: non-current asset, current asset and fictitious asset. But in this lecture we will be learn a further classification of assets. In accounting, asset can be classified into further two categories: tangible asset and intangible assets. Let us understand meaning of tangible asset. Tangible asset means those assets which can be seen, can be touched. Can be seen, can be touched. They have physical existence. They can be seen, they can be touched. They have physical existence. For example, land, building, plant, machinery, furniture. They are tangible assets. They can be seen, they can be touched. Livestock. Do you know livestock means what? Livestock include animals. Animals means cows and buffaloes, right? According to nature of business, some businessmen have large number of animals, cows, buffalo, etc. So such type of asset, such type of animals are known as livestock in accounting. They are called livestock. They are tangible asset. They can be seen, they can be touched. Stock means goods, can be seen. Computer is a tangible asset. CPU, monitor, they are tangible asset. They can be seen, they can be touched. So are you understand? Tangible asset means can be seen, can be touched. Now intangible asset. Intangible assets include those assets which cannot be seen and cannot be touched. We cannot be seen, we cannot be touched. They have no physical existence. They cannot be seen, they cannot be touched. They are only on paper. Understand? They are only on paper. For example, goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Students, what is goodwill? Goodwill is the value of prestige of business. Goodwill is the value of prestige of business. Goodwill is the value of prestige of business. In the market, some business earn more profit as compared to other business. Then they have goodwill, right? Goodwill. Patent, right? Some businessmen have individual patent, individual formula, right? In case of medicine, individual formula prepared, individual patent prepared, and this patent cannot be copied by any other businessman, and this patent registered in register authority, and some amount paid to the government for registration. It is patent. It is paper assets. They cannot be seen, they cannot be touched. Trademark means logo, mark, right? Some businessmen develop own trademark, right? And this trademark cannot be copied by any other businessman. And same way, this trademark registered in the register authority and some amount paid to the register authority. So this is trademark. Copyright. Generally, copyright used by the author of the novel, author of the any other work, as well as this copyright word used by musical industries, film industries, right? If the businessman registered his work in register authority, this work cannot be copied. This music, videos cannot be copied by any other businessman. So this is copyright. Understand? In such things, businessmen pay or spend money, and the benefit of such amount is available for many years. So this is intangible asset. Software, right? Student, remember that computer is a tangible asset. CPU monitor can be seen, but computer software cannot be seen. So it is example of intangible assets. So are you understand? Tangible means can be seen, intangible asset cannot be seen. Let us take a example or classification of some accounts. Classify the following assets into tangible and intangible, right? Just give few minutes to classify following assets. So try yourself. What do you think about land and building? Tangible or intangible? Fast. Which type of asset land and building is? Tangible. Land and building is tangible. Goodwill. Which type of asset? Which type? Intangible. Goodwill is an intangible. Patent. Which type of asset is patent? Intangible. Intangible. Tangible. Intangible. Fast. 4 number. Plant and machinery. Which type of asset plant and machinery is? Tangible or intangible? Tangible or intangible? Tangible. Cash. Which type of asset cash is? Tangible or intangible? Tangible. Cash can be seen, can be touched. Tangible. Software. Student, software is an intangible asset. It cannot be seen, it cannot be touched. Okay, I hope you can understand very well the types of assets, tangible and intangible. Okay, thank you very much.